Think you're a Disney expert? Let's put your knowledge to the test. In this video, we'll show you 50 POV views from Disney World rides. Some you'll recognize instantly, others might challenge even the biggest Disney fans. You'll have 5 seconds to guess the ride before their name is revealed. Keep track of how many you get right, and let us know your score in the comments. Are you ready? Let's dive into the magic of Walt Disney World. That's Millennium Falcon Smuggler's Run. Your crew is running a mission inside the Falcon, where piloting, gunning, and engineering determine how messy the job gets. That's It's a Small World. You're drifting through a bright musical tour of global scenes that's pure classic Disney charm. That's Mission Space. You're strapped into a capsule for a simulated launch where the mission feels intense from start to finish. That's Jungle Cruise. You're cruising past jungle scenes with a skipper who delivers the adventure with non-stop jokes. That's Navi River Journey, a calm boat ride through a glowing rainforest that's more about atmosphere than thrills. That's Spaceship Earth. You're traveling through the story of human communication inside the park's iconic sphere. That's Buzz Lightyear's Space Ranger Spin, an interactive ride where spinning and shooting for a high score becomes the whole mission. That's Grand Fiesta Tour starring the Three Caballeros, a festive boat ride through Mexico powered by music, color, and mischief. That's Tiana's Bayou Adventure, a musical journey through the bayou that builds toward a big, splashy finale. That's Kilimanjaro Safaris. You're out on a real safari-style trek where the animals set the pace, not the ride. 10 down. Are you cruising or already getting thrown off by the POV clips? That's the Tomorrowland Transit Authority People Mover, a relaxing, elevated tour through Tomorrowland with great views and classic ambiance. That's Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, a trackless cartoon adventure where the world bends to animated chaos. That's Haunted Mansion, a slow-moving tour through spooky scenes, eerie illusions, and ghostly humor. That's Dinosaur, a frantic, bumpy race into the prehistoric past where everything feels like it's coming at you at once. That's Under the Sea, Journey of the Little Mermaid, a bright musical dark ride retelling Ariel's story scene by scene. Bonus time. Do you recognize this extinct Disney World ride queue? Leave your guess in the comments. That's the Magic Carpets of Aladdin, a gentle flying spinner where you control how high you soar. That's Kali River Rapids, a spinning river run where getting drenched is basically guaranteed. That's Alien Swirling Saucers, a toy-sized spin ride that whips you around in unpredictable loops. That's Tomorrowland Speedway, a hands-on drive where you steer your own car along a guided track. That's Star Wars, Rise of the Resistance, a massive, story-driven adventure that keeps escalating into bigger and bigger moments. 20 down. How's your score? Still perfect, or did one of these POV clips trick you? That's living with the land. A gentle boat ride through greenhouses and real-world growing techniques. That's pure Epcot. That's Space Mountain, a dark indoor coaster where the surprise turns and drops are the whole thrill. That's Peter Pan's Flight, an overhead journey that flies you through London and into a storybook adventure. That's Toy Story Mania, a competitive, target-shooting ride where everyone suddenly becomes a high-score machine. That's Avatar Flight of Passage, an immersive flying experience that feels like you're soaring over an alien world. Enjoying the challenge? Take a moment to like and subscribe so you never miss a new Disney quiz. That's Astro Orbiter, a high-flying spinner above Tomorrowland with sweeping views. That's The Many Adventures of Winnie the Pooh, a whimsical storybook ride through the 100-acre wood. That's Mad Tea Party, classic spinning teacups where you control how chaotic it gets. That's Prince Charming Regal Carousel, a beautiful classic carousel straight out of a fairy tale. That's Soarin' Around the World, a smooth hang-gliding flight over famous landmarks with wind and sense. 30 down. If you're still flawless, you might actually live in the parks. That's Star Tours The Adventures Continue, a motion simulator with randomized Star Wars missions. That's Wildlife Express Train, a behind-the-scenes ride that takes you out to the conservation and animal care area. That's Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, a family coaster that swings through a sparkling mine with lots of charm. That's Slinky Dog Dash, a playful coaster sprint that bounces across Toy Story Land. That's Tron Light Cycle Run, a neon-lit launch coaster that races you across the grid. That's Dumbo the Flying Elephant, a classic spinner where you control your altitude as you fly. That's the Twilight Zone Tower of Terror, a haunted hotel story that ends in unpredictable freefall drops. That's Expedition Everest, an intense mountain expedition coaster with big surprises along the way. That's Pirates of the Caribbean, a classic boat ride through pirate raids, treasure, and unforgettable scenes. That's the Walt Disney World Railroad, a relaxing Grand Circle tour around Magic Kingdom by train. 40 rides in, finish strong. Which POV clip has been the hardest so far? That's Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind, a high-energy indoor coaster that spins through space set to music. That's Journey into Imagination with Figment, a quirky ride celebrating creativity with playful chaos. That's Rock and Roller Coaster, a high-speed launch coaster with inversions and rock concert energy. That's the Barnstormer, a short, punchy junior coaster that still packs a quick thrill. That's Test Track, a high-speed ride that puts a vehicle through performance testing and ends with a fast sprint. That's Walt Disney's Carousel of Progress, a rotating theater show that time travels through changing decades of home life. That's The Seas with Nemo and Friends, a gentle ride into an ocean story that leads into a massive aquarium. That's Remy's Ratatouille Adventure, a trackless chase that makes you feel tiny inside a busy kitchen. That's Frozen Ever After, a boat ride through Arendelle that mixes music, story, and a surprise thrill moment. That's the Swiss Family Treehouse, a walk-through adventure climbing through a treetop home packed with details. That's all 50 rides. Post your score and let's see how magical your WDW knowledge really is. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know how you did in the comments below. See you real soon for more Disney trivia.